In the quaint community of Belle Isle, there is an opportunity for the first-time home buyer or investor looking for a private pool home offering an updated kitchen, new AC installed in 2007, big fenced yard, just shy of a quarter acre, and a big covered lanai. The home is nearby to all the theme parks, excellent shopping, dining, and entertainment. Inside this block home, multiple skylights showcase a comfy interior with a large family room, adjacent dining area, updated kitchen with oak cabinets, all black appliances, granite counters and large windows overlooking one of the largest pools in the neighborhood. There are 3 bedrooms, all of a significant size, plus 2 full baths. The master suite offers ceramic wood tiles, large closets and master bath with separate vanities and step-down shower with access to the private fenced yard. The spacious living areas, kitchen, additional bedrooms, and foyer all offer porcelain tile and room for entertaining. Have a boat? Bring it. Residents of Belle Isle have access to 4 different boat ramps for long-lasting memories on the Lake Conway chain of lakes. Nearby 528 I-4 on Florida's Turnpike provide quick access to downtown Orlando, Disney World, Altamonte Springs, and Orlando International Airport. Let's not forget other excellent features such as a fireplace,